Home is more than just a place, it's also a feeling. A comfortable and safe place to live with those whom you love. You must come and view this home to truly understand the feeling it evokes. Loved by the same family since it was built 37 years ago. Just imagine coming home to this wonderful estate neighborhood just on the eastern edge of the city of Belleville. This is truly a canvas where you can create the home of your dreams and a place for your family to enjoy for years to come. Come, take a tour with us.